What up, y'all guys? Today we're gonna be doing some good-ass flying today, right, Serge?
Yep.
It's autumn time, and there'll be probably some color left. So, yeah.
It's gonna be a little bit chilly though. It's gonna be a little bit chilly.
This spot is sick. You guys are gonna like this spot. So, yeah, we'll see you guys in a little bit.
Building over there.
Which way?
Are you sure it's not that building? No.
Yeah, it's in here somewhere. Freaking sick. Let's go. Let's send it. Okay, so we decided to change spots. We had to leave there. We can't fly there today. There's seems like there's a bunch of people there, a bunch of cars, so it's a no-go. So we're gonna go to another spot. It's not too far from here. It's about maybe 15 minutes. So we'll see you guys there. Okay, so we're here, man.
Turn left, then your destination will be on the
Is it here or maybe it's that side?
I don't know where it's at. Oh, there's the building right there. So it's gotta be probably right there somewhere.
I don't think it's over here, man.
Oh yeah, this is the spot right here. Oh, this is sick.
No, this is not the spot.
Yeah, this is the spot that they fly, dude. When they do the
And where is he?
There it is, dude. There's the
Where,
spot.
where is he?
Oh God, this is sick. Let's go, dude.
What's up, bro? Miss you guys.
Seen it in a while.
It's here, huh? It's fucking nice.
Down the street.
Where?
Just like a quarter mile down the street, so in case, but this will be fine. We've never had problems here.
Awesome, bro.
That other spot we were at, you didn't want to go there anyway.
Oh yeah.
You would have broke all your shit right away.
Yeah.
I'm not saying anything about you, but it's just everybody breaks shit there all the time.
Yeah, it's
so.
tight too.
That's what I told.
It's a lot tighter.
That's what I told him earlier. I'm like, when we got there, I'm like, we're gonna break your shit. You can tell it's all concrete and shit.
You have a lot less chance of breaking it here. So
Yeah.
For anybody else, they don't know what we've been through. For anybody else, they don't know what the world did to you. For what they say, they really got nothing good to say anyway. Anytime, any place. For every one of them, they ain't none of our friends. All we need is them. Two of us in the phone. No, they don't want beef. They don't want nails Steve. They don't want knuckles. No, they don't wanna bleed. But I come for blood, 'cause I fucking love you. Yeah, yeah, I'm crazy, crazy enough to say I'm crazy enough to swear I'll die for you. Yeah, they don't know shit, don't know who they fucking with. It's the power couple. It's the power couple. Let me calm down, compose myself from the next sentence. Yeah, when I give down, yeah, I love so hard, girl, it's excessive. Fuck it. Yeah, I'm crazy, crazy enough to say I'm crazy enough to There goes George, dude. There goes George.